Hey guys, nagbabalik na naman tayo para sa panibagong video. So, this is part 2 of the Google series na ginagawa ko dito sa aking channel tungkol sa Google Classroom. For this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you on how to use Google Classroom as a teacher and as a student using your smartphone or computer. For teachers, I'm gonna show you how to create a topic, material, or questions and give it to your students. For students, I'm gonna show you how to access this given to you by your teachers using your smartphone or computer. So please continue watching. Pero bago ang lahat, intro muna tayo. By the way, ang Google Classroom ay isang free online collaboration tool developed by Google for schools, specifically for teachers and students. This tool is very helpful when it comes to online learning or distance learning, lalo na ngayong pandemic. So how to use Classwork tab in Google Classroom for teachers and students. Classwork tab is the workspace for all the contents in Google Classroom. In here, teachers can post resource materials such as course syllabus, topic-related readings, assignments, discussions, questions, and quizzes. So let's go! To start, open your Google Classroom and navigate to Classwork tab. Dito makikita nyo yung Create button, Google Calendar, and Class Drive folder. So para saan nga ba tong mga to? Unahin natin yung Create button. Dito, pwede ka mag-create ng assignment, quiz assignments, questions, materials, reused posts, and topics na pwede nyo ibigay sa students nyo. Ito namang Google Calendar. Basically, a calendar wherein makita mo lahat ng deadlines na sinet mo for your assignments or quizzes, which is very important to manage your class, lalo na kung meron kang 2 to 3 or more class na hawak. Next is the Class Drive folder. Basically, ito ay isang Google Drive folder na nakalink sa class na ginawa mo. So, dito lang naman yung repository or bagsakan ng mga ginawa mong files sa Classwork tab. So, as teacher, I suggest create first a topic or section para mas maging organized yung Classwork tab ninyo. And your students will be easily locate your assignments and classworks na ibibigay nyo sa kanila. So first, let's select a topic. For this example, I will create 3 topics para mas maging actual yung gagawin natin. First topic is Chapter 1, Introduction to Computers. Click Add. Second topic, Chapter 2. The complete hardware system. Then third and last topic is Chapter 3, Basic Computer Peripherals. After creating a topic or topic sections, there's an ellipsis button here to manage your topic. You can rename, delete, copy link na pwede mo ibigay sa student mo, and a navigation to move up or down, or you can click or drag yung topics so that mas maging organized yung Classwork tab ninyo. Meron din itong mini view sa upper left corner, which is very helpful for easy navigation ng mga topic na ginawa mo. So let's proceed to your smartphone. The only difference using smartphone for Classwork tab is that there's no feature to create quiz assignment, but the rest is just the same. So open your Google Classroom app, select a class, click Classwork tab below, click this plus button, and select topic. Dito halos pareho lang yung procedure to create topic. So let's add a topic. After adding a topic, there's also an ellipsis button here to rename or delete your topic. You can also move it to organize its hierarchy. Next is how to create a material na pwedeng gamitin ng inyong mga estudyante. So all you have to do is click Create button, then select Material. In here, for example, you can write course guide for ICT, then description. So makikita nyo dito, pwede kayo mag-add ng Google Drive file, pwede ring link, local file, or a YouTube video. So for example, we will upload a local file. It will automatically add a file na pwede nyong i-share sa inyong mga estudyante. So for this part, pwede nyong i-share sa isang klase or multiple class yung material na in-upload ninyo. You can also select an option here to share this to all students or individual student. So sa topic, you can select this one kung saan pwede mo ilagay yung material na i-upload ninyo. But for this example, I will not put a topic and we will just click post. So ayan na. Makikita nyo dito sa taas yung file na nilagay ninyo sa Google Classroom. So if you want to organize and place it to a specific topic, you can easily just click this and drag it to a specific topic. So for example, I will place it to Introduction to Computers. So let's proceed to your smartphone. There's no difference between using your smartphone compared to your computer for Classwork tab. The procedure goes the same way. So let's go to Classwork tab, click this plus button, select material, add the title of your material and description. Then you can click this attachment icon to attach whether it is from Google Drive, link, file, or either photo or video, or a newly created blank PDF. Another one is how to create or add a question to your class. So just click Create button, select question. For example, you will be asking what are your expectations for this subject. And then instructions. In here, you can also choose kung anong gusto nyong sagot ng students ninyo. Either short answer ba or multiple choice. So for this example, I will be choosing short answer. You can also attach G Drive files, link, local files, or YouTube video. Another feature is you can create Google Docs, slides, and many more. In here, you can share it to specific class or multiple class and specific students or all of your students. Sa points naman, you can add for example 10 points for the question, or you can choose unmarked. Another is you can set due date or deadline para sagutan ng estudyante ninyo yung question. For example, this one. And then for topic, ilagay natin ito sa chapter 1. May feature din ito if you want your students to reply to each other. Or they can edit their answer. Then click ask, and then makikita na ng estudyante nyo yan dito sa chapter 1. Introduction to Computers. Pwede mo namang i-move yan just in case gusto mo ilipat yung question sa ibang class. So, click nyo lang, then drag. So, let's proceed to your smartphone. The procedure goes the same way and wala namang gaanong difference. So, go to Classwork tab, click this plus button, select question, add your question. For example, what are your expectations for this subject? And description. You can add points or unmark it. Add due date, then assign it to specific topic. You can choose kung multiple choice ba or short answer. And add an option for students to edit their answer, or students can reply to each other. You can also add an attachment to attach whether a Google Drive file, link, a local file, or either photo or video, or newly created blank PDF. So ano bang makikita ng estudyante nyo pag binigyan nyo sila ng questions or materials? So let's go to our student view in Google Classroom. For students, makikita nyo agad yung mga classwork related stuffs na binigay ng teacher nyo dito sa Stream tab. So ayan, you can click this one to proceed, or you can go to Classwork tab, and then makikita nyo dito yung mga topic na may material and questions na nilagay ng teacher nyo. All you have to do is click the title, and then view material. In here, you can download the material, or you can add a comment if you want. Another is yung question asked by your teacher. You can click this one to view the question. So what are your expectations for this subject? You can also see yung set points na nilagay ng teacher mo and yung due date. You can also add comments if you want, or private comments na teacher mo lang yung makakabasa. So to answer this question, punta lang kayo sa upper right corner, then type your answer. So to submit your answer, just click this hand in button. Okay, so once na masubmit mo yung answer mo, you can also see yung mga answer ng classmates mo dito. Or you can also reply to your classmates' answer. So let's proceed to your smartphone. So same goes along with computer view. For student view, using smartphone, makikita nyo agad yung mga classwork related stuffs na binigay ng teacher nyo dito sa Stream tab. You can click that to proceed, or you can go to Classwork tab. So as you can see, ito yung topic assigned and material sa mga questions na inassign sa'yo ng teacher mo. And there will be an option here to download the material. For questions, you can add here and edit if you want, but you cannot anymore delete it. You can also see your classmates' answers, or you can add private comments. So that's it, guys! I hope you learned how to use Classwork tab in your Google Classroom for both teachers and students using your smartphone or computer. For next video, for teachers, tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano mag-create ng assignment and quizzes using Google Forms. For students, tuturuan ko naman kayo on how to answer those assignments and quizzes. Again, this is Arvin Alejandro. Thank you so much for being here, and see you in the next video.